it comes to pricing, we keep it super simple for our customers. We charge a flat rate that is all inclusive. It includes labor, dump fees, and everything else that the job entails.
Now, when it comes to pricing our truck, we have 5 major price points. And the first one is our minimum pickup, which might be $99 or $129 to get your foot in the door and get that customer on the team. And then we got a quarter load price, a half load price, a 3/4 load price, and a full load price. And our full load prices are always different. When it comes down to it, it all depends on what we're taking. If we're taking some cardboard, it's gonna be a little bit cheaper than construction debris. And the reason why, construction debris costs a lot more to get rid of. And it's also a lot more work.